Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. And if this shelving rack was another section shorter, I could fill up this section over here, but this is an awful lot of material. It's a lot better than what it's ever been before. Look at that. We can just put the sorting rack in there. So, big improvement over what it was. And I have a lot of empty drawers. So there's space to sort and organize and get things in here the way they belong. One small step, but big change in the way things are going. And the door stops short of slamming into anything. There, in and out easily. Close the door, I can get to the racks, open the door, they're not in the way. Well, this has been a long time coming, and it took a lot of thinking trying to figure out where I was going to put these things in. And I still have to take the stuff that I moved from here and put it someplace. But this was more of a collection, you know, just piles of junk. So a lot of it's going to get just tossed. Like these things, these are fireplace starters. So that's the project. All my shelves are up. I have all the sorting bins in. I have another shelf that I was going to put up there on top, but I decided just stacking these would be better because I didn't have a lot of clearance. and I was able to juggle things around a little bit different than what my original idea was. These are still where they were in the very beginning, but these guys have gotten juggled around just because of space limitations. Doesn't matter. I'll be able to find things and life goes on from here. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. Now I got a lot of drawers to fill. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.